Hey guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog, and for today's recipe it is coconut kisses. One of our neighbors gave us a bag of Hershey kisses for Christmas, so I turned them into these cookies. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! First, you want to unwrap the kisses because they come in packages, so unwrap those first. For the dry ingredients, this is 1/3 cup of enriched flour with 1 teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of fine sea salt. For now, we're gonna beat this or cream this. This is 3/4 cup of unsalted butter with 1/3 cup of sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of Mexican vanilla blend. I love it so much. We're just gonna cream it until completely nicely creamed. Mix the dry ingredients first. You can sift the dry ingredients if you want. Otherwise, just right away measure on the measuring cup and place it into a bowl. Once creamy, crack an egg, and then we're gonna beat it until just combine. Now mix in the dry ingredients. Once mixed, just scoop by a tablespoon or even a teaspoon if you want more cookies, or with ice cream scoop. Once it's out, roll it on desiccated coconut. This is unsweetened. For this dough, you will need about 3 tablespoons, and place it on the cookie sheet like so, and bake on preheated 300 Fahrenheit for 15 to 18 minutes. As soon as cookies out of the oven, press the kisses in the center.